Welcome back. In the last video, we talked about the big mindset shift with AI. Today, we move from theory to action. We're going to get you your first tangible win in under 10 minutes. Specifically, we're going to tackle something that eats up so much of our mental energy: customer service emails. The "where's my order" emails, the "do you offer this" questions, the thank you notes you want to send but never have time for. I want to show you how to go from spending 30 minutes crafting individual replies to batch creating kind, professional responses in about 5 minutes. Ready to feel that relief? Let's do it. Section 1. What you need in setup, keeping it simple. Here's all you need. Just 2 things. 1. A free DeepSeek account. That's what we'll use today. 2. A list of 3 to 5 common questions you get, just from memory. I'll do a complete screen share so you can follow along exactly. If you haven't signed up yet, pause me, go to chat.deepseek.com, create your free account. It takes 1 minute, and then come right back. I'll wait. Back. Perfect. See this chat box? This is our new best friend. Today, we're not just typing random questions. We're going to use my simple prompt recipe I mentioned last time. Section 2. The prompt recipe and first example. Let's build our first prompt together. Think of a prompt like giving clear instructions to a very smart, eager intern. We use a simple recipe: role plus task plus context plus tone. Step 1. Assign a role. You're a helpful and friendly customer service representative for a small online business. This tells the AI who to be. Step 2. Give a task. Your task is to draft a kind and professional reply to a customer inquiry. This tells it what to do. Step 3. Add context. The business sells handmade ceramic mugs. We value craftsmanship and personal connection. This makes the reply fit your business. Step 4. Set the tone. Use a warm, helpful, and slightly casual tone. This gets the feeling right. This is our base recipe. Now let's use it. Let's say a customer asks, "Hi, I love the blue mug, but I only see one photo. Can you send me a picture of the back of it?" Watch this. I paste our recipe, then the customer's actual question right below it, and I hit enter. Look at that. A complete, friendly, on-brand reply in seconds. It thanks the customer, explains we'll send the photo shortly, and reinforces our brand values. This is already good, but we can make this process even faster. Section 3. Batch processing. Your 5-minute system. The real magic happens when we batch these. Instead of doing one at a time all day, we do them all at once. I listed a few common questions I get. You can use mine or think of your own. Do you offer international shipping? What's your return policy? Can this mug go in the dishwasher? When will my order ship? Now, we use a supercharged version of our recipe. Watch closely. I'm going to type this prompt. You are a friendly customer service rep for your business name. Draft 4 separate, professional, and warm email replies for these common questions. Keep each reply to 3 to 4 sentences max. 1. Do you offer international shipping? 2. What's your return policy? 3. Can this mug go in the dishwasher? 4. When will my order ship? Boom. In about 30 seconds, we have a week's worth of email templates. They're consistent, they're on brand, and they're ready to be slightly tweaked and used. This is your new system. Once a week, open DeepSeek, paste in your list of common questions with this batch prompt, and you've just created your customer service swipe file. Copy these into a Google Doc or note. Now, when an email comes in, you're not starting from zero. You're copying, pasting, personalizing in 10 seconds. Section 4. Adjusting and making it yours. Now, what if you want to adjust one? The AI isn't the boss, you are. Let's say for the shipping question, the AI wrote, "We ship to 15 countries," but you only ship to 3. Simply type, for reply number 1, please change it to say we currently only ship to the US, Canada, and the UK, but we're working on expanding. Keep the friendly tone. See, you are in complete control. This is about augmenting your work, not replacing your judgment. You provide the expertise and heart. The AI provides the first draft and saves you the typing time. Conclusion and recap. Let's recap your first 10-minute win. 1. Use the prompt recipe. Role plus task plus context plus tone. 2. Batch your questions. List 3 to 5 common ones and ask the AI to reply to all at once. 3. Save your templates. Create your swipe file for instant replies. Your homework is simple. This week, use this exact process just one time. Go to DeepSeek. Use the batch prompt I'll put in the description and create 3 email templates for your business. That's it. You'll have saved yourself at least 30 minutes of future work. Love this process? Get 150+ ready-to-use prompt templates in my Small Business AI Toolkit to remove the guesswork. The link is in the description. Next up, we tackle a huge pain point, content creation. I'll show you how to never run out of social media ideas again. If you tried this, let me know in the comments what you automated. Thanks for watching. It's me, that internet guy, and I'll see you in the next video.